So ladies open final. So naagapon diri sa Kanasuhan Car Cebu. Tuwara. Ladies open final, ladies open final. All shot. Hoy. Oh ho ho hoy. So nakauna it's Kulot. Kulot. Ariana second, third, Chanel Kirol, and Encarnacion. Pipay.
How about Pipay ni Syra? Hindi pa rin tumira?
Wow.
AG Colon still holding the first position for the leading number. Para kay Arian. Arian second, third. Daniel Quiroz.
So still leading Kulot. Wow, grabe. Arian, Chanel, Syra. Wow, wow, wow. Pipay yung team. La. Oh, ho, hoy.
Marshall, balik Marshall, balik mo posisyon Marshall.
La.
Ayan.
Wow, Kulot leading yapon. Arian Monteliao, Chanel Kirol, Syra Paco, and Pipay Encarnacion. Wow. Wow.
AJ Colon, riding first Estes Racing yan. Yan, number 404, first Estes Racing. AJ Colon.
Oh.
Second, Arian, first Estes Racing. Chanel Kirol, and
Chanel Kirol versus Arian Monteliao. Oh. Padaplin kamay, padaplin. Padaplin. Go. Padaplin sa gamay. Laka. Okay.
Arian, Chanel Kirol,
Turun, tumba na po.
third, Syra Paco. Ready start again. Pipay Encarnacion for the first.
Ay, sayang si Kulot.
Lumalapit pa rin si Chanel kay Arian.
Ay. So, Arian Monteliao na leading. Pipay on fourth. Leading Arian Monteliao. Second, Chanel Kirol. Third, Syra Paco.
White flag is waiting for Arian and Chanel.
Oh,
And also Syra Paco.
sayang.
Oh, yellow flag. Arian.
Wow.
One more lap to go for Arian.
White flag. Ala. Arian Monteliao na leading. Wow.
Lumalapit.
Last lap. Last lap, last lap.
Pero bago na rin tayo. Hoy, wala. Yan. Okay. One corner lang.
Grabe danloga guys.
So,
Danloga yung racetrack guys.
for the second hit.
So, checkered flag for Arian Montiliao. Champion. Second, Chanel Quirol. Sarah Paco.
Ladies open. Congratulations.
Pipa Encarnacion, Kulot. Sayang si Kulot, sumimplang. Hi.
Oh, that's good. Clear the area. Here we go for the executive 50 plus.
Sayang. Checkered flag.
Exit na, exit. Okay, we have one more right there.